Hello Hackogrammers! Welcome to this course for Certified Ethical Hacker V12. I'm so excited to share with you this amazing journey of learning how to hack ethically and legally. But before we dive into the practical aspects of hacking, let's start with what the CEH certification is and why it is so important for your career as a cybersecurity professional. CEH stands for Certified Ethical Hacker, which is a credential that certifies professionals who have the skills and knowledge to perform ethical hacking. Ethical hacking is the process of testing the security of an organization's network and systems by simulating malicious attacks with the permission of the owner. This way, you can identify and fix the vulnerabilities before they are exploited by real hackers. CEHv12 is the latest and most comprehensive version of this certification program, which covers 20 domains of ethical hacking, such as reconnaissance, scanning, enumeration, system hacking, web application hacking, wireless network hacking, malware analysis, social engineering, cryptography, and more. You will also learn how to use over 3,500 hacking tools and techniques that are used by hackers and information security professionals alike. To get the CEH certification, you will need to pass 2 exams. A theoretical exam that consists of 125 multiple-choice questions in 4 hours, and a practical exam that consists of 20 scenario-based questions in 6 hours. The exams are designed to test your knowledge and skills in ethical hacking and ensure that you meet the minimum standards set by EC Council, the organization that administers the CEH program. By getting the CEH certification, you will not only gain a valuable credential that is recognized globally by employers and peers, but also a competitive edge that will help you advance your career in cybersecurity. You will also join a community of ethical hackers who are passionate about protecting the cyberspace from malicious threats. So are you ready to become a certified ethical hacker? If yes, then join me in this course where I will guide you through the concepts, tools, and techniques of ethical hacking in a structured and engaging way. You will also get access to hands-on labs where you can practice your skills and compete with other hackers around the world. By the end of this course, you will be fully prepared to take the CEH exams and become a certified ethical hacker.